Have a holly jolly Christmas. XOXO, Gossip Girl.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next...
Good morning, guys. It is Vlogmas Day 6. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I can't believe we've made it to 6 days of non-stop filming, editing. Like, it's just been a roller coaster ride, but you know, we made it to day 6 and I'm so happy. So why did you try to embarrass me? That was not so far, guys. So I got up super early this morning. I made myself some chocolate tea. As it stands, the boys are still asleep. You know how they sleep in on a daily, so they're still sleeping. I wanted to do some laundry today, but change our plans because we might go on the road, and so I'm just going to go ahead and iron the laundry that I did a couple days ago. So I try to get as much out as possible before the boys get up. Okay, you know, when they get up, they're so demanding. They're gonna need me to do so many things, and I just need some me time, some time alone to myself. So that's what I'm doing. Also, guys, I must apologize for the delay. Well, we can't talk. I must apologize for the delayed intro. Our Vlogmas intro has been ready since the day after we filmed it. So you guys remember that whole filming process. I edited the video, I added some cool music to it, and I decided to like upload it to YouTube first to see if I would get any strikes, and lo and behold, I got a strike. So I had to remove it, then replace the song, re-upload it, and I got another strike again. I was like, what? Like, why YouTube I try all of my career? So I was like, listen, let me just put this on pause. And that's one thing that I am dreading coming back to YouTube, is that the copyright strikes, the music. Like, I don't know, I try to use music from like the YouTube library, Epidemic Sound, like all of those, and I'm still getting strikes. So guys, if you know how to combat that, I honestly don't remember if it's like 10 seconds or 20 seconds of the song that I'm allowed to use before YouTube strikes it, but remind me in the comments, guys, please. So without further ado, here is our new Vlogmas intro for 2024. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. It's just so cute, and it just says us. It says Shanice and the boys, and that's what I was going for. So I'm super happy that it turned out great. You know, I shot it, I edited it on CapCut, and it seems it can go on. For our first intro, it can go on. Okay, so what is this? Listen, these kids stay watching Roblox on my phone, man. So I'm trying to find the church service that I watch while I, you know, iron in the mornings. So I usually just watch it on my phone.
Somebody who can't give them back, and then give them something because they are in need of it.
Why the audio sound like this? So it's the Bethel Gospel Assembly live stream. You guys can check it out on YouTube. The audio is kind of shaky this morning, but I guess that's okay. Just catch this over here. So
that one of the things we need to do this Christmas, as we move into the thing, is to give because you care about the person. You care about the well-being of the person.
guys, do not judge. This is a judgment-free This is a judgment-free channel. So just a quick note, as it stands, I want to do a little giveaway today, so I don't want to forget. I do not want to forget. We've made it to day 6 without any giveaways, so I want to include a giveaway in today's video, right? So I remember telling you guys that I have like a lot of PR stuff that I can include. So I'm gonna have to go and find all of them something. I'm gonna pack them a long time. So I'm gonna dig up the place today. Find all the PR things that I want to give away, plus any other, you know, items. As I said, I have some tapings, bundles, all of them something I have here lying down. So if it is that you are a upcoming wig influencer, or you want to like do hair videos on YouTube or TikTok, then this is perfect for you. Or if you're in the beauty industry overall, because some of these products are like makeup, skincare. So yeah, if you're interested in that, then stay posted to the video, guys. Watch until the end, and hopefully you can win yourself some goodies. Alright guys, so the boys are up. Try let in some light. The boys are up and I want to make them something for breakfast. Well, I already made them their usual tea. I don't feel hungry at all. Boys, what you want to eat? I don't feel hungry. You guys want some fruits?
Yeah.
Like oranges and apples and stuff?
I ate 3 bananas.
You ate 3 bananas, Javi? When? When you
Grandpa came and gave us banana and orange, I ate 3.
Oh my god, let me see how many bananas are left. Javi said we eat 3 bananas. Mr. Guys. One eat papa so have grapes. And have grapes and
I don't like it.
Mommy loves grapes.
Yeah, I love grapes. And Mommy will have another one.
Malta, Jamir. Later we'll get more Malta. For now we're doing fruits.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So I'm gonna find 2 bananas.
Mommy, to my breakfast, can we have one of the?
Sure, my love.
Okay.
So let's have some fruits for now, and then we can have Malta. So you can take the grapes and the bananas out. I also found some oranges. What is this? The cookie dough. We have leftover cookie dough. We have apples. David's asking me why I make fruit salad, guys. Let me go ahead and peel this. You don't like fruit salad? Fruit salad. Yummy. Fruit salad. Yummy. Corn dogs for breakfast, Javi. I make corn dogs for you in the week. I make it for you in the week, my love. If you follow these kids, them eat corn dogs every day. So they like their oranges pegged, so I'm gonna have to peg it after I peel it. And people, I cannot peel orange. I cannot. I want to get like the perfect. Javi. So as I said, I cannot peel oranges, guys. I'm just trying my best here, and then I'll go ahead and peg it. Usually I'd make them porridge on a morning like this, but some days I just honestly don't feel like going on the stove, I swear to you. I mean, porridge is pretty easy to make. Guys, where are my antlers? Look if you see my little reindeer. Antlers, please. Look in the sewing room. I feel like I have to keep up the festivities with the antlers. Like, come on. Jamir. Come here, let go your brother and come here. Look in there, you see my antlers. Look, you see them right beside the switch? On the shelf, my love. Look up. Jamie, look behind you. See my antlers? Bring them for me. Don't break it. Don't break it.
What is?
Come put them on for me, please. Put it on. Turn them around. Thank you. Thank you, my love. Alright, so I'm pegging the orange, guys. Sometimes I use a knife, but I can easily. Hey, listen. Your father is still sleeping. Stop the knife. Sometimes I just use my fingers to just like peg it off. But the one here kind of stubborn, so I'm gonna use the knife. Fruit salad, yummy, yummy. And if you don't know that song, you're too young for this channel. I remember back in the day I used to watch the Wiggles on, was it Nickelodeon or Disney? The Wiggles. They're like these grown-ass men dressed up in colorful outfits singing kiddies song, and I mean that's how you know the hustle was real, you know, guys. If you can get grown men to do that, they must have been making bank with those videos, which I think they were. They're like they're like what, who can I say is running the place now? You remember like Baby Shark, the people that used to dress up like Baby Shark? That's what they were back then. But they were called the Wiggles. Like I was a Disney kid.
Mommy.
Yes, my love.
I don't know why Jammer won't Optimus Prime.
Jamir, leave his Optimus Prime now, man.
I don't know who's
He's strong. Hey guys, why are you fighting over Optimus? Alright, I'm gonna take the robot, and neither of you are gonna get it. If you're gonna fight over it, Javi, come here. Both of you come here. What I said, man, you must share. You must learn to share with your brother. You only have one brother, you know. I'm not giving you any more siblings, so I want you to share. Okay, or take turns.
Well, Daddy was not sharing with me.
Javi, share with him now. This is what I have to go through on a daily, guys. Referee, mediator, because these kids, it's always something with them. Jamir, take the robot to me, baby. Let me go see what this is all about. This is what they're fighting over.
Mommy,
Optimus Prime.
Well, Mommy, Daddy didn't share with me.
Javi, come here, my love. No crying, no crying, no crying, no crying, no crying. Come here.
He didn't share one.
No crying.
He didn't share.
So who had the dinosaur first? Jamir, let Javi speak. Who had the dino first?
I just have the Optimus Prime first.
Well,
And you asked him to share?
Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
well, he was not even share one with me. You didn't even share one with me.
Alright, so here what we're gonna do.
Please.
Alright, we're gonna take this Optimus and you both are going to play with it. Alright? I don't want any fighting. I want a big hug. Big hug from both of you right now. Jamir, hug your brother. Good. And I want you to love each other, protect each other, no fighting. I want you to share. Alright? Optimus, I'm sorry you had to be in the middle of this. So yeah, let's go. So guys, this is all I have for the morning. So we have our oranges pegged, we have apples, grapes, and bananas.
Wait, who are Peg?
Pegged mean I took it out of the, I don't even know, just took it out of the peeling. Out of the peel.
Peg. I don't like these part, but I do like this and this and this. Give me.
Which one is your favorite? Which fruit is your favorite? Gabby loves the
Apple and
bananas
bananas.
and the apples. Jammer is an orange head. Look at his head, he's an orange head.
I like this and this, and my head got bust yesterday.
Your head brush yesterday?
Yesterday night.
Last night? What happened to it?
It hurt right here. You put ice on it.
Oh, when you went to the cupboard.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. The Jamir, last night Jamir was playing around and bust him head on the cupboard. Well, not really bust him head, he just hit his head on the cupboard. He should be okay. It was right here and I put some ice. Jamir, you cannot do that.
What?
This little boy is biting through,
What?
bite out the middle of the apple and put back the skin. That's so weird. Come sit on my lap.
What do that mean?
I don't know, he just doesn't like the skins of the apple. So you want me to eat it for you?
Yeah.
He doesn't like the apple skin. He's not a fan of the apple skin, guys, so.
I am.
You like apple skin?
Where the apple?
Hmm?
Where the apple can with the apple?
Okay, Javi doesn't like it. He only eats the white of the apple. Let me taste the orange. Is it sour?
Yes, it is.
This is how I eat tangerines. I literally just pull it out of the skin.
Hey, do not put it on my bananas.
And you
Do
keep
not
it.
put it near my.
Like this. I pull it out. I
Do
don't
not
know why he's stealing my orange.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Just bite it off and I eat it out like this. So literally just eat the pulp.
Mommy, I think we're wrong.
You can't put the thing. Get another dish. Get a dish so you can put them on.
Just try to spray water at your face. And Mommy, can you peel the tambourine, please?
Give me a sec. For daddy. And if some for your father, you wake up.
Yeah, this is just our breakfast. Nothing else.
Don't care. You don't like fruits for breakfast?
I like fruit. I like tambourine and grapes and apple for breakfast.
Yeah.
Unless
I'll make you something else a little later.
unless I'm not leaving any.
He's in his poop phase where he thinks that everything is poop, right?
No, this is tambourine.
So what's poop?
That thing come out of the camera.
My camera is poop?
No, the thing that come out of the camera.
Well, come out of the camera. Young man talks about poop non-stop every day.
Hello.
Everything is poop to Jamie.
No?
I think it's a phase. What do you mean by no?
What? Poop?
I'm not a poop? He says I'm not a poop. Yes, Jamie?
I'm not a poop either, right?
Jamie's not a poop either, guys.
Yeah.
I'm not a poop, right?
Jamie, the bananas are ready for you.
Oh.
I'm not a fan of bananas.
Wait, guys. I'm just looking for the page. Oh, there it is.
Come here.
Captain Underpants and the Attacking Talking Toilet. Story by George Baird. Pictures by Harold Hartshey. One day at school, everything was pretty normal. The lunch lady was serving toast wrapped sandwich. This is the Captain Underpants book. The principal was yelling, blah, blah, blah. And the gym teacher was being mean to everybody. My grandma can run faster than you guys. No, it's just in the Captain Underpants book. That's what it says, right?
Finish reading?
Then a UFO appeared.
That'll be a big reader, guys.
It zapped the school with zapped the school with an evil ray. The ray made all of the toilets come to life and made them evil too. Lord have mercy. Was it my car?
Wow, good job, Jamie.
Mom, I'm gonna go and watch it now.
Sure.
Yay!
Jamie, I said I'm reading 70 pages now. So
There's no way that
See, look how I did reach here, huh?
Alright, read it first. Let us see.
Okay, you want me to start where I started?
there's no way that you have enough time to read.
Let us talk.
Go.
Kim is a girl. A girl. A girl. Pat is a girl.
Okay, good.
Everyone taking prisoner.
Boys, you're in charge of sweeping up the place.
What?
I don't understand why so much garbage on the floor.
We were just every time we just sit and don't make them up mess.
So who's making the mess? If you're not making the mess and I'm not making this, who is making the mess?
Daddy. And I didn't
Your
even.
parents says daddy making the mess. You more area.
But mommy, what is this?
I don't know, what is it?
Orange seeds?
Alright, see, was it in engineer?
I don't like orange, so I'm not eating. Well, mommy, I was eating tambourine, not orange. The orange is.
How many hours I take out yourself out of the equation?
Well, I was eating tangerine. Oh, I got orange peel, and I had to use the peel to double. What you mean?
So it was you or was it your father?
Chasing me. I don't. Oh no.
Guys, what if I told you that I still have decorating to do? I just realized that I had a couple more ornaments. If you guys remember the whole shopping vlog, I bought some flowers and stuff that I wanted to put like closer to the top of the Christmas tree. But we have a little collab coming up. We have a little collab coming up where we're basically going to decorate the Christmas tree. So I wanted to get that out of the way before I put on like the final touches to the Christmas tree. And I also have the bows for the door. That's not on as yet, but as soon as we do that video, I'll go ahead and finish up, and then that should be it for, you know, the whole decoration series, because it has been hectic. But I'm pretty cool with how it came out. I mean, my vision was just a traditional Christmas, the red, the greens, and I think we executed that. Also guys, let me know what you think of the intro, and look out for the intro in the coming videos. The boys love it. They want me to play it for them like every single day. I literally have to play it back for them, and I just can't wait for them to, like, you know, go on the channel and watch these videos, because they have not seen the final cut of our daily vlogs as yet. So I'm just looking forward to that. And I mean, the fact that I can use YouTube to create memories that the boys can, you know, look back at and see themselves from their like baby stage, because we have some videos on here from like years ago when they were just tiny tots, and look at them now. So it's always good to have it to look back on, you know. So that's a very fun part of YouTube for me, or just creating videos overall, creating memories and just sharing it with you guys. So I hope you guys can appreciate our little bond, our little family, and just the effort that we put into our channel, guys, because it's not easy remaining consistent. It's rough, which is why I had to take a break. But you know, your girl is back. I'm in, you know, mom mode, I'm in festive season mode, and I'm just having fun with it. I'm not even taking myself too seriously. So yeah, that is it. I'll finish clean up. I'm still hungry, so I might make something else for breakfast, but whatever I do, I'll definitely take you guys along with me. So catch you in a few. Try to do my edges. Mr. Guys, one epa passa. So I have 25 minutes to get ready. We're going on the road. We're heading to the circus, but don't tell the boys. So yeah, I recall going to the circus when I was in primary school. It was so much fun. They had like lions, elephants. I don't see any elephant or any lion this time around, but so far it has been getting a lot of good reviews. So decided to, you know, take the kiddies. As I have 25 minutes to get ready. So let's see Let's put 25 minutes on the clock. And we're gonna do a little simple beat. I'm just try to fix my edges. Ugh, stress out. I don't like rush. I hate to rush. So let's see if we can get ready in 25 minutes. Once the edges are laid, I want 2 for the makeup. Light beat, no makeup. So it's not gonna take long either way. Put some Gots to Be. Don't try this at home, kids. If you love your edges, don't put no Gots to Be on them, but apparently I don't love mine. So I'm dabbing some Gots to Be. Slip this back. I don't even know what I do to my hair. I'm tired to wear my hair down now, guys. I need to style. I feel like I've had this hairstyle for weeks. I know I'm not style it properly. Just band this down. Face is already moisturized, so I just need to prime and jump into the makeup. Alright guys, done with the talking, let's go. Outfit of the day. I'm wearing this little brown bodysuit. This little brown shirt cover up and brown slippers to match. Jeff, what are you wearing? I have everything in the black mic from yesterday.
Hey, you white.
Come over here, so blue. Show your shirts. Sneakers type of vibe.
And also have the fireman toy.
I'm also taking my shades. And
There, the grumpy boy.
I need to find my watch. Alright, scent of the day is this Versace Crystal Noir. 2 little spray and I'm out. What else? Feel like I'm missing something. What am I missing, Jamir? I have my sponge in my bag. Oh, just my watch I can't find. I just wear this little gold watch. My sponge for my face, baby. Alright, that's the fit. Let's go.
John, go over.
Jamir, go over, baby.
You want me to bag in there,
All the way. Here's a sausage. Javi, come over, baby. Come in the middle.
Okay.
Don't bring up your seat, please.
Good? Eat it, baby. Eat it.
Oh, you didn't have it.
Guys, it's 12:56. The aim was to leave out at 1 because the show starts at 2. This is the beats. Do it in less than 10. I hope it's not too patchy. But you know, we move. I did my hair in a little updo. Yeah, I think it's cute, so. Jamir, you weren't sleeping. You were faking. I hear we there asking if you must sleep. Hey, we swear Jamir drop asleep. I look at you, we never talk a while ago. So we're like, how far out are we? 10-15 minutes. No. No, I just feel like certain days traffic not for the on the road. So when me come and me see a bunch of cars, like I'm shocked. yeah, we haven't told the boys where we're going as yet. It's a surprise. I just told them that we're going to. No, I gave you all the tickets. So we're planning on getting tickets at the gate. I mean, we have the option of purchasing it online, but just I'll get it at the gate and done. Also meeting a couple friends there, so when we actually get to the venue, I'll check back in with you guys and let you know what it's all about. If it is that you're interested in, you know, heading where we're heading, can't say it. Yes. So yeah, I'll do a little review on, you know, the entire what do I call it now, running of the show, as well as other amenities that they might have, because I hear that they have like food at the venue, drinks, stuff like that. So I'll fill you guys in, of course. Don't forget to leave a like on the video if you haven't already, and subscribe. Yeah, hit that subscribe button, guys, because if you come here every day, you're watching the vlogs and you're not subscribing, like I don't like that. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hey, my stomach just fly up in my chest a while ago. Yeah, worst feeling ever. See you guys, catch you. Not here, baby.
Yeah, right here.
Boys, look through the window. We're here. The carnival? It's not a carnival, it's the circus.
What did you scream?
Have you ever been to a circus before?
No.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Wow.
What? We did go to a circus.
Yeah, it's a circus.
I never saw a circus before in real
Chelo, ya dale chiste,
I know, baby.
Give me two.
How are you? Thank you. Yeah, so that's our VIP pass.
There's no circus and right behind.
So we have general admission, preference, ringside, and VIP tickets. Come down here. So we get to our tickets, and they only take cash, no card. So you have to come with your cash, people. So we got our tickets, and we're entering like the front section. Javi, say hi. Hi to the vlog. Javi is so amused. He's not even paying me any mind. Hello. Side, come baby. Hello. Come here, wait, baby. Come here. Take your time. So we're in the line for pictures. You want to take a picture with mommy?
Yeah, but I don't want our dancing.
No, nobody's gonna take it. We can't put them on the table. Jamir, secure him food, guys. So we're just gonna take a couple pics and then we're gonna head inside because the show starts soon. Right, my love? You excited? Alright.
Circus. Mommy, so this is the second circus?
Where are we gonna go? Guys, we're on a little break.
Yeah.
we are out of the circus. I mean, it was good. Don't do that. It was raining while we were in there, so the place is kind of wet, but we're heading home now. So Jamir, don't step in the water. Jamir stepping at every puddle. Yeah, let them in through this side. Yeah, guys, it was fun. I mean, I think the kids enjoyed it more.
I don't think so.
Well, I guess some adults would have said them enjoy, but to me it's an 8 out of 10. No, Mel, what you rate it?
I give it an 8 out of 10 as well.
8 out of 10, for sure.
I give it 9 out of 10.
Yeah, I did. What you give it, Jamir?
A 9 out of 10.
Jamir, give it 9 out of 10. 60? Sky, what you rate it?
I meant to say I give it 100 out of 10.
Okay.
I mean, million.
It was that good and you weren't even paying attention.
Zillion.
Jamir, not see half hour go on all night. Barbecue zinger, barbecue rib. So we get KFC for dinner, guys.
That means we gotta share.
Barbecue, where's your barbecue?
Then we gotta
So barbecue zinger and a barbecue rib.
have some and you have some. Share.
There's a piece of chicken in the box.
Mommy, Jamie, going
Mel says she want all spice in her zinger box.
open it and share.
Okay guys, so we made it back from the circus. I think the makeup held up pretty well. I just started to sweat like in my T-zone. And I don't know if I mentioned this before, guys, but I have very oily skin. So this is something I struggle with. I mean, this is like a 30 minutes or less makeup, whatever this is. I had to rush, as you guys saw, so I didn't really get a chance to like go in with like the setting and, you know, the mixing of the foundation, the mixing of the powders, all the steps. I was just on the go, so it's fine. It was just a circus, nothing much, but yeah, I'm starving. We got KFC on the way, as you guys saw. I got a barbecue zinger, because if you're going to KFC, you're not getting a barbecue zinger. What are you doing? Or barbecue overall. Yeah, that's my favorite flavor, chicken from KFC. But before I go and eat, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this makeup from my face, do my little nighttime skincare, and take a shower, and then go and edit the video for you guys. Oh my god, I almost said I'm gonna call it a night and go sleep, you know, not realizing that the video needs editing. So yeah, for my nighttime routine, it's the same good molecules, similar to my daytime routine that I showed you guys yesterday. The only difference is that we're gonna switch out the daytime discoloration correction serum with the overnight exfoliating treatment. So this is the nighttime one. So you have the daytime here, nighttime. That's the only difference in the steps. And I usually just use some regular wipes to remove my makeup. And I start with my under eyes. Yes, my love?
Mommy, can you help me make this episode that me and they were making it, but they said they don't care anymore.
He doesn't care? Oh my god.
Spider-Man episode.
Alright, no problem, my love. Let me just put these here. My necklace and my earrings.
Ooh.
And I got these cute little pieces like jewelry from Amazon, guys. Like, Amazon has so many cute finds, and when I tell you that these necklaces hold up because I've had them for a while, they're stainless steel, I think, tarnish free. So if you guys need a plug, just let me know below and I'll send you a direct link, or I'll add it in my description box. So yeah, I'm just going in and getting off as much makeup as I can, right, with just the wipe. And as you can see, it's filthy. And guys, I'm not gonna lie, I've been loving my skin these days, like bare as is. Honestly, I think I feel better, I feel more beautiful without makeup. I think mommy needs makeup, Jamir? No?
And I don't look beautiful.
It's still beautiful without it, because I just took it off and I don't see any major changes. Just the fact that, you know, some of these dark spots are covered when I'm in the makeup. Yes, smile?
I love you, and can I have a snack?
Love you too, baby. Can have anything you want, right? Because you're such a sweet boy. Can't say no to you. Go and get it. Ask your brother for help if need be. So yeah, after I'm done, I'm going in once more with my tea tree facial wash. I'm not using the brush tonight, guys. I'm just using my fingers to get in the corners and the crevices of my pores and just rubbing that out. I'm wearing lashes. When I'm in lashes, I try to be a little bit gentler because I want the lashes to last as long as possible. So when I rough up the thing tonight. And speaking of, guys, I have a little giveaway. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna hurry up and get myself together. Imagine doing the giveaway like this. No, not cute. But it just occurred to me like, oh, I reached Vlogmas Day 6 and all I'm gonna go to nothing. I don't understand. I don't like that for y'all. I'm gonna have enough niceness to give away now. I'm also in the process of planning some challenges. As it stands, I have challenges with the boys and stuff, but I want to bring on more people on my channel. Like, I just feel like everybody just camera shy. Like, this is 2024, come on. Like, the world is just moving towards, you know, a more digital lifestyle. Like, you literally have to show up online for almost every single aspect. Like, I find it so funny that I see like big corporate bosses doing TikToks and all them things. I'm like, once upon a time you'd never see those things. Never, right? So don't be shy, just, you know, participate. And I'm not saying if I follow every little trend where you see, but, you know, just get with the times. Yeah. So trying this off. I'm sure I'll be it first, you know. I'll be able, because chances are I'm gonna make the mistake and wash my face while I'm a baby. You know why I'm always do that. Remember one time, guys, like people always say, what do you do first? Do you like take a shower first, or do your face first, or do your hair? But somebody said them do them hair, them makeup, and then them jump into the shower. I said, One time I'm gonna make the mistake because I think I was getting ready with a group of girls and like we're just taking turns with the shower. So while somebody was showering, I was doing my makeup. So I ended up doing my makeup before going into the shower. People, tell me I'm going to the shower and I wash my face. After I have a full face of makeup, you know, I could not do that. So preferably, I would like to shower first. After I shower, I do, like I prep my hair. I don't really do my hair, but I prep it. So I probably do my edges, curl it up, pin it and leave it. Right, so here sometimes, depending on the type of hair that I'm wearing, if it's like braids or protective stem, just do the edges and go. But for example, if I'm wearing a wig or if I'm having some, you know, extensions, some bundles, I'd like prep it first, leave it, then I do my makeup and then come back for like finishing touches, just so it's, you know, cute or the curls don't fall, or, you know. So yeah, that's my 3-step process. Shower first, then the hair. Well, it's actually 4-step, then the makeup, and then back to the hair. Let me know the order which you guys get ready. Do you do makeup first, hair first, shower first, whatever the case may be? Let me know, because some people have very interesting routines, and I mean, we all have different experiences in life, so nothing is wrong if somebody else does something that the way you do it, or does something different from the way you do it. Like, imagine if we're all the same. That would be such a boring place. So I'm going in with toner now. If you guys watched yesterday's vlog, if you didn't, please go back right now and catch up. We are at Vlogmas Day 6, so you have catching up to do. We can go ahead and start from day 1 and just binge a girl. I'll go ahead and I'll create a Vlogmas playlist and I'll, you know, insert it here so it'll be easier for you to find and watch. Thank you in advance. Love it, love it, love it. So you're toning, and then after I tone, then I go in with the nighttime serum, and this one stings. Let me tell you, this stings. So hurry up. I know I know this thing about. There's a little tingling effect. Anything I like a tingling effect, that means the thing I work, so but I have no problem. Tingle all you want. That means it's working. If it's effective, then wonderful. I feel it, especially over my brows, because I had like some bumps and stuff that I popped today, like over my brows. Like if you look here, I get bumps in my ears. Like, come on, just can't win. So it's tingling there, and I was going pat, and then I let this dry down. And after it's dried down, I'm gonna go in with the Estee Lauder Nighttime Radiating Moisturizing Moisture Locking. Like, let me tell you, this nighttime moisturizer wonders on my skin, and it smells so good. So I'm actually giving away something similar to this. Let me get the box for you. This is what I'll be giving away this vlog. It's from Estee Lauder as well. How do I open this again? This is new, guys. New brand, never been touched. So it's a nighttime revitalizing cream. It's from Estee Lauder, and this is it in the box, never opened. As I said, it's similar to this one. So if anybody wants this nighttime cream, you can use it in your nighttime skincare routine. You can even use it in the day, like it's all up to you. It's very light. I did a video on my previous Estee Lauder nighttime cream on TikTok, and I love it so much. I'm gonna insert that little TikTok video somewhere here. You guys can check it out if you want. But if you'd love to have this one in your arsenal of skincare products, then all you have to do is comment down below and let me know what your nighttime skincare routine is for a chance to win this. So yeah, I'm just gonna package it right back, has not been touched, right? And I'll choose a winner either tomorrow or the following day. I'll keep you posted though. I'll message whoever I choose. I wonder if I can do like a little random spinning wheel where I add all your names of everybody who entered, and then let the spinning wheel pick for me. So yeah, let me know, guys. I'd love to hear from you, because your girl is on her skincare game these days. I'm going in with the moisturizer now. As I said, a little goes a long way, and I'm just gently massaging it into my skin, guys. It feels like butter on my skin, no lie, literal butter, right? Love it. And it just melts into your skin, and so when you wake up tomorrow, listen, your skin will be glowing. That's one thing I love about it. When I get up in the morning, my skin is already glowing. Sometimes, like, but I don't even want to wash my face and do my morning routine. The way my skin will go on with itself in the morning. But yeah, that's my little three steps nighttime routine. And I'll also put a little Vaseline on my lips as usual after I'm done bathing. So yeah, guys, that is it for Vlogmas Day 6. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like, share it with a friend. If you know anybody out there who loves Vlogmas, who loves Christmas like myself, who loves mom content, fashion, lifestyle, be sure to share my channel with them. I'd really appreciate it. So yeah, guys, see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 7.